As far as like goals and stuff, I don't really have any, to be honest. I just want to be the best I can be and promote a healthier life. So pretty much I probably started training at a CrossFit gym within the last 5 years, and I struggled with a lot of weight issues and all that kind of stuff through my early 20s into early 30s, I suppose, so the best part of a decade. Yeah, I just sort of started doing it for a bit of fitness and stuff, and then one day a week turns into 2 and then into 3 and all that kind of stuff, and then before you know it, you just get the bug and you get addicted to it, and you're here 6 or 7 days a week putting in 10 sessions a week. Everything sort of changed for me when I started looking after my diet, to be honest. Pretty much strict carnivore now for 8 months. So chicken, beef, lamb, plenty of eggs. I do eat cheese, occasionally yogurt, not very often. And people badmouth it and all that kind of stuff, but unless you've had a crack at it yourself, you can't really have an opinion of it in my opinion. So for me, it's just sort of like one step at a time, but there's always something to chase, something to learn, I suppose. So you just need to find your own niche. Find your own niche, and if it's CrossFit or if it's powerlifting or whatever it is, like you can do all of it here and just push yourself. That's all I'd say.